So FabTech, we were formed in 1986 and we manufacture bed coverings and window treatments for hotels, healthcare, cruise ships.
FabTech is a great company to work for. There are a lot of great people here, a lot of opportunity.
Oh, sweet, FabTech.
From healthcare to hospitality, FabTech can be found in every corner of North America.
I had a lot of opportunity working here. I started here on the shipping dock, packing boxes, and been given an opportunity over the years to work all the way up to Director of Operations at one point.
Manufacturing in the United States and in Pennsylvania in particular, it's a pretty important industry. It's something I hope to pass on to the next generation of people that want to do it.
Whether you enjoy more being hands-on at the machines, or if you're data entry, we've got pretty much a job that would fit anyone.
And we're manufacturing all the product here in Danville.
I'm pretty much what they call a firefighter. My daily duties range from doing CAD work to 3D drawings to doing quoting and sales.
It's not about what I want. It's about making sure that the people that work with me have what they need to be successful.
I seen FabTech had a help wanted ad in the newspaper, started to get into the manufacturing side of things, and I'm glad I did.
It has brought us to this better community.
Manufacturing in any environment is challenging.
Every day I do something different and I like that. I don't like to do the same thing every day.
That's the fun thing about my job. I have no typical day. Every day is different.
I have to make sure that the team has everything they need to be successful. And if they're successful, then I will be. It takes care of itself.
And whatever department needs help, I am able to jump in and help that department. I like being able to work with a team and we have the same goals, and just turning raw material into a finished product and sending it out to the customer feels really good.
What I really like about manufacturing is that you can see the end product of your work all day. You can't say that about every job.
Lots of good stuff happening here at FabTech.